So hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Amesie's Corner. How are you all doing out there? So the boss wants to relive his first vehicle memories, and what the boss wants, the boss gets. So what I want to show you guys today is the next approved auto project truck, and that would be this 71 Blazer right here. Oh yeah. Now the boss tells me he had one of these, same truck, same color, when he was young, and he's wanted one ever since. So for the past few weeks he's been looking around social media, looking online, looking at all the car trader and auto traders, and he's come up with a bunch of these. He's found them from one end of the country to the other. He was ready to drop what he was doing and take a trip halfway across the country to pick one of these up, but that one fell through. I think it was in like Michigan or Ohio or something like that, you know, halfway across the country. But then that one fell through, so he was looking around. He found one not too far away, about 2 hours away, and him and Jack went and picked this one up out of some guy's garage, and yeah.
I wasn't sure what you wanted on that.
Yeah. This is the beginning of a long movie.
Oh, nice.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. How you doing?
Good. How about the hood? Can we set the hood on, you think?
Yeah, I just couldn't do it myself.
Oh, come on, you can't put a hood on yourself?
No.
And then where are the hinges?
The hinges are on the hood still.
Alright, so we might just put like one bolt on there and click the front. That'll be better than trying to...
Yeah, I got some.
Nice. Alright, let me grab a pair of gloves.
I got some over here if you want some.
You get some? Air in the tire. We're moving up here.
I know, right? The tire usually takes about a month before it goes flat.
Yeah, you get new tires, you know, obviously.
I just wanted to do that last.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's gonna be fucking hairy. Oh, this seems narrow. Alright. We'll get it.
Oh, it doesn't have any,
The ramps don't adjust.
they don't adjust?
No, they're solid.
Can you take them out and then hook them right up in here? So it looks like it's four.
Yeah, maybe.
I've seen people do that before.
Yeah, I guess that is how this thing works.
Boy, good thing you brought the kid.
Yeah, that's why it makes the big bucks. Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna reset up the camera.
Did you do the block thing, Jack? Yeah. Watch that.
Ready? Ready?
Hey, hold on. Can you turn the steering wheel to your left a half? That's good. That's good.
Ready?
Yep.
1, 2. Alright. Let me turn the wheel back to the left. Everybody ready?
Yep.
1, 2. And block that, Jack. Alright, let me turn this wheel.
Hey, hold on. Let me get the tire.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
1, 2.
Up to you now. So, try to move that camera up on the tailgate.
Yeah, that's fine.
we gotta turn her to the left again. Because it's kind of heading off the trailer, you know?
Alright.
Maybe cut it hard to the left.
I think we're only going about another foot forward maybe.
Okay.
Alright, I don't think we're even pushing forward now. Jack, roll it back a little bit. We're just gonna try and... Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Nice and easy. Oh. Alright. What's that load look like? That looks alright right there, I think. Looks level. Yeah, you're good.
Unfortunately, I couldn't go with him and help him get it, so we had Jack, the shop kid, there. And they packaged this thing up, loaded everything up into the boss's old 80s truck. Someone commented on the Facebook group that we fixed up Snow White and now it's the tow vehicle. No, we just Snow White is, well, Snow White's not here at the moment. I don't know where Snow White is. Oh wait, no, I know where it is. Snow White's there she is. Snow White's over there by the other Blazer that I haven't showed you guys, the boss's other Blazer that I've never showed you guys, or I haven't for like 5 years. But no, this is Giddy Up Buttercup. This is to tow a horse trailer or other trailers and all that. But yeah, the thing we're looking at now is Project Blazer. I haven't named this truck yet. I don't really know it. Usually I think I name all the cars and vehicles and projects. So let me take a good look at this and we'll see what we'll name this thing. Came with a bunch of parts. Look at the louvered hoods. Remember those? What a bad idea that was in New England, but louvered hoods. So anyways, let's take a look at what we're going to be working on. We'll be getting this thing looking good again. Someone had already done a ton of work to it. Now, I know what you're saying. These things are usually rock boxes, and I'm sure this was at one time, but somebody stacked a lot of dimes. Someone did a lot of dime stacking, a lot of good welds. Whoever was welding this thing together did a decent job. Huh? Take a look at it. But yeah, they did the whole floors, all done on it. Inner fender liners in the rear, all brand new. Everything's all brand new. New doors, new aftermarket doors. So it needs a lot. No kidding, it needs a lot. But there is a lot already done. All the stuff that you don't really want to do is already done. Now it looks like they were looks like the guy we got it from, the guy Dave got it from, was getting ready to repair these rusty quarters, which really aren't too bad for what it is. But Dave's saying he wants to get all new quarters. He doesn't want to mess with any of this, so we'll see what happens with the quarters. I think he was actually, wants to cut them out and put new ones in, all new quarters on. He doesn't want to mess around with Bondo and filler, which looks like this is going to need quite a bit of. Anyway, why don't we take a look under the hood. Bear with me here. There we go. And your basic 350 with some mods on it. Looks like it's got some headers, 4-barrel intake, Edelbrock carb. Don't know what it's got, a cam or anything. I guess it was a Reman engine years ago, and it really doesn't have a lot of use on it because the truck was getting restored after or something. I'm not really sure. No HVAC box. That's something we got to deal with, but we've done it before. We'll do it again. So why don't we take a look. I'm not going to be able to take this off the trailer today. This isn't going to live here. We got a lot going on at the shop. This is probably going to go to the boss's house, his own private garage, until we're ready to really get into it. So what we'll do is we'll crawl under and take a look. Now, looking at it from under here, Boy, it looks brand new. Everything looks brand new under here. Frame looks like it's in really good shape. Oh, it's kind of hard to get around. Yeah, not bad. It's got good bones. This is in the business we say it's got really good bones. It's got a lot of work and time put into it. Look at all the welds. Someone actually took a lot of time. So this was a frame off restoration. I would say this is this would be in the last third of a Resto. You know, the frame off, all the frame stuff's done. It's got brake lines routed. Do they make brake lines? That's gonna be something. Alright, so it needs brake lines and fuel tank, but all the parts, the person who started this project bought everything. So we have every single thing needed to finish this. Stuff like brake lines and fuel lines, we just get bulk, but that all needs to be done. And I'm sure it's not going to get these wheels and tires. It's probably going to have something much nicer on it. But yeah, Project Blazer. This is probably going to take, if I had to estimate by how long it took to do the Cutlass, probably going to be somewhere about at least a year, if not more. I'm going to guess this is probably going to take 1.5 to 2 years with getting everything else we got to get done and customers' cars and working on this one we can. Top's in rough shape, but that's all fiberglass. That should sand down, clean up, and look good. Take a look in here. We got the interior bits, all sorts of stuff for it. I haven't looked at any of this. This thing rolled in kind of just as I was getting out the door yesterday, so I'm kind of looking at it for my first time while I'm showing you guys. So yeah, boss is gonna relive his first vehicle memories. Ain't I jealous? Ain't I a little jelly? You know, I can't restore my own cars, but if the boss wants to pay me during my 8-hour shift, 9-hour shift to repair and restore his vehicles, I can't refuse. He signs the paycheck, so it's gonna be a fun project. This is one I'm really gonna get into because I really did like these. I really did like these first gen Blazers. But anyway, that's that one. We also have Big Black, what is it, Big Black E2 or something? I don't remember what we named that one, but that's another one we kind of restored. More of actually a restoration on that one, but this one here is going to be a restoration. Well, all right, guys, I got to get to work. I got to get in there. It's first thing in the morning. I just wanted to run around and introduce you guys to the next huge project that we're going to be doing. So we're going to have a nice series on this. It's probably going to be kind of a blog. We're going to show progress as it's made. I might do a couple of projects videos on camera, but a lot of this is just going to be, we're going to get some steps done, then we'll take a look at how it was done and what was done, time permitting. Well, all right, guys, keep an eye on this project. This one's going to look like brand new, just like the Cutlass did. Like I said, I got to get back in there, guys. On that note, and until next time, thanks for watching, and keep it out of the cabbage.